So now that your control is in place, your electrical is hooked up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and flip the sauna back over. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and hook our waterproof conduit with our connector up. The nut goes inside and it goes the opposing way like this here. So it doesn't go the sharp side out, it goes the sharp side in. That's what holds this connector on. So with the washer against the side of the stove, let's go ahead and put this in here. Have to move everything over. Now, just put your fingers on the nut and turn the connector. Don't try to turn the nut, otherwise it'll take you forever. Just go to where she's nice and tight. And then you're gonna have your 220 come back in, and then you can hook up your electrical from there. So we're just gonna put our mounting plate on. Now, the important part about this is this shaft out of the control